Here we have Xbox One X controller. It's in carbon black color. Let's open it. It's in a really nice package and comes along with 2 AA batteries, so you don't need to buy them separately. It has all the documentations such as manual and the safety sheet, etc. Let's do a button test. Once you put the batteries in, it's very easy to set up. All you need to do is just press down the Xbox button for less than a second, then the light is gonna flash. And if you want to connect it to your PC, just hold down the Bluetooth button and the light will start flashing even faster, and then you can turn on the Bluetooth on your PC and you can just pair them. It's very fast. And the next time when you turn on your PC, it will automatically connect within seconds. Very smooth. As you can see, they have a real nice grip. When you hold it, you feel like you never drop this. It's very, very nice. Very ergonomic in my opinion. You can use like this or you can use like this. You can customize each button on the controller using the Xbox app. There's a headphone jack here, so you can plug your headphones here while gaming or whatever you're doing with your controller. This is a 3.5mm headphone jack, and there's the USB-C port that you use to connect it to the PC if you want to do a wired gaming. This controller is supported by Windows PCs, Android phones, tablets, and some consoles. I actually tried it on my Android phone and it works like perfect. It works with AA batteries, 2 of them, and they last around 40 hours. Thanks for watching.